Hello, everyone. Can you all hear me? Hi, how are you all? My shining stars. Hey, how are you all? How are you doing? Doing fine? Doing fine? Are you all doing fine? Amazing, amazing. I can't hear you much. Can you say from there? Are you doing fine? Yes? Show me thumbs up like this. Yeah? Very nice. You all are doing fine. Wow, amazing. So let's do first of all activity, okay? So let's start. Right hand up, right hand down, left hand up, left hand down. Both hands up, clap, clap. Right side clap, left side clap. Wiggle your fingers, wave your hands, shake your hands. Air high five, thumbs up, and smile. Very nice, my dear shining stars. Very nice. You all are amazing. Okay, let me share you the screen. You all should be ready.